I'm going to open a plan that I'm working on here recently. Let's see, recent file. There it is. Yeah, this one. And if I wanted to share it with the Home Designer user, this is an X11. X11 will duplex back and forth to Home Designer with Home Designer 2020 titles. If you have 2019, the chief architect user has used X10, excuse me, version 20. This is version 21. And if you're using Home Designer 2018, that'd be X9, version 19 of Chief Architect Premier. Okay, in order to do that, the Chief Architect Premier person has to double click on this icon here, open General Plan Defaults, and check Allow Editing and select Home Designer Products. If you don't do that, the Home Designer user might be able to look at it, but he wouldn't be able to edit it. So this allows editing. And then we'll save that. Okay. You can also get to that by going to Edit Default Settings, Plan, Edit, and there it is there, Allow Editing and select Home Designer Products. Two ways to get there. Okay. Now remember, if you have an older version like 2016, a lot of Chief Architect users aren't going to be able to work with you because they can't send the file back to you, and so that you could then open it and edit it if you wanted to. Like 2016, you'd have to have version, I have to do the math on that. I think it's 2016 would be version X7 or X8, but they have to have the corresponding Chief Premier version of the Home Designer program that you have, and then they need to program the file when they work on it with using this command here, and then you're all set. Hope this helps some people. Thanks for watching.